So where do I start, right? Like, and I absolutely love this slide because I think that you can go on some of these websites and get very overwhelmed of like all the information. It's like information overload, right? And your system's like, this is too much. I don't want to do it. We're here to help like simplify that process for you. So the first step in anything is to set up an account on your marketplace center, right? So we're going to create an account in Partner Center. And this account, think of it as like it's your home base. It's where everything is going to live. It's where your listings are, where you're going to transact, where you're going to do send out private offers. Everything is going to live in here. So the second one is you're going to verify your account. So I have my account set up. Now I have to go through a verification process. So why do I have to go through that process? So it's ensuring that you're meeting the marketplace requirements for Transact partners. So this is your legal requirements, your financial, your banking, taxes, and operational checks. So that way we know if it's running in this cloud and built on this infrastructure. That's really important. That's where you'll hear these terms of investing in the cloud. And now you'll hear, a couple of years ago, I would say marketplaces, and John, correct me if I'm wrong, they were pretty open with where you were built and how you want to build. And now that we're seeing this trend of marketplaces, the restrictions are getting a little bit tighter. So it's also something for you to consider, like where is your infrastructure built on, right? And really think about that. And where are your customers? And meeting your customers where they are at and where they're buying is really important. So a little side tangent there. So now meeting the technical requirements. This kind of just goes into what I said the last time. So you'll hear things like FTR or RAD, and that is the infrastructure, how it's built. You're meeting the cloud security compliance measures. How much is your product consuming? That's really important to the cloud, and really how we think about that. And so then after that, now you set up your landing page. This is where your solution lives. So think of it as your storefront, right? You'll hear storefront, you'll hear a title, tile, not title, and like where you can meet all your potential customers to learn. So that's it to transact, which I find is when breaking it down like this is like, oh, okay, now I know where do I go? What do I have to do? And how do I move on from there?